Hello, my name is Rehan and I like technology. Today I'm going to show you again how to make a racing game on Code. That is part 1, but it's going to be so much fun when I complete my next step. So I'll show you part 1 for today and enjoy, make it as well, and then you'll have fun playing it after I represent part 2. So let's go. Here we are. This is what we're doing. So first, we get the run block that will be automatically here. Then we get the new sprites has block, but we put the road in. I'll just tell you something quick, that there's maybe no road in costume, so you have to get it from online. Then next, you got to set the size block to 500, and the size right here, and then put your road block in. Then you get the when clicked blocker, and in between you'll put a start in. So that will be good. And then when we click start, the start button has to remove. So we don't get distracted by that stuff. So you get the remove blocker that will be in sprites right here. And I forgot to show you something. When clicked block will be in events, and make a new sprite will be in sprites, and set the size will be in sprites as well. So let's move on, like right here. You can change this. So let's move on. You get the 3 of the make new sprites and put racing cars in them from Google, or maybe inside, because I'm not sure. Then you hit the pin, and then you imagine the car. Where could it be? It's because it should not be touching the main car, because you need a main driver. So you first choose, from my cars, I've got the blue car. So I first choose a car here, and I choose my next car here. Okay? And look when I run it. I run and start it. Look, my cars are all separate. Okay? It is not the same thing going to happen to you, because I've got a lot of steps on. So let's continue. Sprite begins blocker will be in behavior. You get the sprite begin block, and you get them 3 times, and then put all racing cars in. And this is the main bit. You go in behavior, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down until you see moving south, the 1, 2, 3, 4. This block. Okay? You get that blocker and get them 3 times and put them in here. Okay? And I'll show you one thing. I'll show you how, if you hit edit on them, it will show what does a moving south block mean to make it simpler. So these are the moving blocks that put to make moving south. But we don't want to repeat this 3 times or even more to do it. So we make a block called moving south 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So let's continue. Next, we need petrol. And so if one of the cars hit the petrol, we get 1 point. So we make new petrol as sprite. We get that sprite. Then we get the size sprite. So the size sprite, and I made it to 40. You can make it to 30, 40, but if you make it to 100 or 50, around that, it's going to be really big. So, like, not big, but big. So put it to 40 or under. And put the moving south 1, 2, 3, 4. And just saying, moving south 1, 2, 3, 4 means it will come down like this, down. But it will come in random positions. Now, you need the instructions. You first always get when on it, like this, when. So, you're going to always get when up, but you have to change them to when down, up, left, and right. And I've changed all mine to while. I'll tell you why in a second. And get all the move blocks that will be in sprites right over. If you go top, it will be right here. You change them to down is south, up is north, left is west, and right is east. And you put your racing car in it because the rest are going to be computers. Next, you change these. You change these to while. I'll tell you why. So, when I start my game, look, I want to go down, right? I have to go down, right? Look, this goes auto up when I press the up key. But when I go down, I have to press it 10 million times to go down. So, will it be easier to just ride smooth or just click, 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 click down? I think it will be easier to go smooth. So, I'm changing all of these to while. Thanks for watching part 1 from Rehan. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.